Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for your overall health and well-being, your liver. As you know, the liver is a powerhouse organ, working tirelessly to detoxify your blood, process nutrients, and fight off infections. But here's the thing, just like any other organ, your liver needs a little TLC to perform at its best. That's where superfoods come in. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can give your liver the extra support it needs to thrive. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you'll not only be showing your liver some love, but also boosting your overall health and vitality. Over the next few minutes, we'll be exploring the top 10 superfoods that can help supercharge your liver and keep it functioning optimally. So, buckle up and get ready for some serious liver-loving knowledge. Let's kick things off with a true culinary hero, garlic. This pungent bulb isn't just a flavor enhancer, it's also a liver superhero in disguise. You see, garlic is packed with sulfur compounds, notably one called allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Now, these sulfur compounds aren't just responsible for garlic's distinctive aroma, they're also potent detoxifiers. They work their magic by activating liver enzymes that help filter out toxins and waste products from your bloodstream. This detoxification process is crucial for keeping your liver healthy and preventing the buildup of harmful substances. But garlic's benefits don't stop there. It also boasts anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to compounds like diallyl disulfide and S-allyl cysteine. These compounds help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the liver, protecting it from damage caused by oxidative stress and other factors. So how can you incorporate more garlic into your diet? Well, adding crushed garlic to your stir-fries, soups, and stews is a great start. You can also roast whole garlic bulbs for a milder, sweeter flavor that complements roasted vegetables and meats beautifully. Next up, let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice that's been revered for centuries for its incredible health benefits. This vibrant spice gets its yellow hue from a powerful compound called curcumin, which is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Now, when it comes to liver health, curcumin is a true game changer. You see, chronic inflammation is a major culprit behind many liver diseases, including fatty liver disease, hepatitis, and even cirrhosis. Curcumin helps combat this inflammation by blocking inflammatory pathways and reducing oxidative stress in the liver. But that's not all. Curcumin also supports the production of bile, a fluid produced by the liver that's essential for digesting fats and absorbing fat-soluble vitamins. By promoting healthy bile flow, curcumin helps your liver function optimally and prevents the formation of gallstones. To reap the benefits of turmeric, try adding it to your curries, soups, and stews. You can also enjoy a soothing cup of golden milk before bedtime, which is simply warm milk infused with turmeric, ginger, and other warming spices. Trust me, your liver will thank you for it. Now let's move on to a group of superfoods that should be staples in everyone's diet: leafy greens. We're talking spinach, kale, arugula, collard greens, and the whole gang. These nutritional powerhouses are jam-packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your liver absolutely loves. One of the key reasons leafy greens are so good for your liver is their high chlorophyll content. Chlorophyll is the pigment that gives plants their green color, and it also happens to be a potent detoxifier. It binds to toxins and heavy metals in the body, helping to neutralize them and flush them out. But that's not all. Leafy greens are also rich in fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps keep things moving along smoothly, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. This is important because when waste products sit in your digestive tract for too long, they can release toxins that your liver then has to work harder to filter out. So, how can you enjoy more leafy greens? Well, you can toss them into salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. You can also sauté them with garlic and olive oil for a simple and delicious side dish. Next up, let's crack open the benefits of walnuts for liver health. These crunchy nuts are nutritional powerhouses, loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds that your liver will absolutely thank you for. First and foremost, walnuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3s are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties, which are crucial for protecting the liver from damage caused by oxidative stress and other factors. They help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the liver, keeping this vital organ functioning smoothly. But that's not all. Walnuts are also brimming with antioxidants including vitamin E, polyphenols, and flavonoids. These antioxidants help protect your liver cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on your cells. So how can you incorporate more walnuts into your diet? Well, you can enjoy a handful as a snack, sprinkle them over salads or yogurt, or even add them to baked goods for a healthy crunch. Moving on to a group of superfoods that are as delicious as they are nutritious berries. From blueberries and strawberries to raspberries and blackberries, these vibrant fruits are bursting with antioxidants that can benefit your liver in a big way. Berries are particularly rich in a group of antioxidants called anthocyanins, which are responsible for their vibrant colors. Anthocyanins are potent free radical scavengers, meaning they help protect your cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. This is especially important for your liver, as it's constantly working to detoxify your blood and neutralize harmful substances. But that's not all. Berries are also a good source of fiber, which, as we discussed earlier, is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and supporting optimal liver function. Fiber helps keep things moving along smoothly, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements, which in turn reduces the burden on your liver. So, how can you enjoy more berries? Well, you can add them to your breakfast bowls, smoothies, or yogurt. You can also snack on them throughout the day, or use them to make delicious jams, sauces, and desserts. Let's raise a toast to green tea, a beverage that's been enjoyed for centuries for its health-promoting properties, particularly when it comes to liver health. This ancient elixir is packed with antioxidants, notably a group called catechins, which have been shown to have protective effects on the liver. One of the most well-studied catechins in green tea is epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG for short. EGCG is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals, toxins, and other harmful substances. Studies have shown that EGCG may help reduce liver fat accumulation, lower inflammation, and even protect against liver cancer. But that's not all. Green tea also contains other beneficial compounds, such as L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Stress can take a toll on your liver, so finding healthy ways to manage it, like sipping on a soothing cup of green tea, can be beneficial for your overall liver health. So, how can you incorporate more green tea into your routine? Well, you can enjoy a warm cup in the morning or afternoon, or even try iced green tea for a refreshing treat. Let's move on to a vibrant root vegetable that packs a powerful punch when it comes to liver health: beetroot. This ruby red veggie is not only delicious but also loaded with nutrients that can support your liver's detoxification processes. Beetroot is a good source of beta-alanes, powerful antioxidants that give the vegetable its vibrant color. Beta-alanes have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and detoxifying effects, helping to protect the liver from damage caused by oxidative stress and toxins. But that's not all. Beetroot is also a good source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which, as we've discussed, is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps promote regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and reducing the burden on your liver. So how can you incorporate more beetroot into your diet? You can add roasted beets to salads, blend them into smoothies, or even pickle them for a tangy treat. Now let's talk about a group of vegetables that are often overlooked but are true superstars when it comes to liver health: cruciferous vegetables. This family of veggies includes broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, cabbage, and more. Cruciferous vegetables are rich in sulfur-containing compounds, such as glucosinolates, which are converted into other beneficial compounds, including sulforaphane and indole 3-carbinol when consumed. These compounds have been shown to support the liver's detoxification processes by activating enzymes that help neutralize toxins. But that's not all. Cruciferous vegetables are also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, providing a wide range of health benefits beyond liver support. They're particularly high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. So, how can you incorporate more cruciferous vegetables into your diet? You can roast them, steam them, sauté them, or enjoy them raw in salads or slaw. Let's drizzle into the benefits of olive oil, a staple in the Mediterranean diet that's renowned for its health-promoting properties, particularly when it comes to liver health. When we talk about olive oil for liver health, we're specifically referring to extra virgin olive oil, the highest quality and least processed form of olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is an excellent source of monounsaturated fatty acids, particularly oleic acid. These healthy fats have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, reducing inflammation throughout the body, including in the liver. This is important because chronic inflammation can damage liver cells and contribute to liver disease. But that's not all. Extra virgin olive oil is also rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols, which help protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, preventing them from damaging liver cells and DNA. So how can you incorporate more extra virgin olive oil into your diet? You can use it as a salad dressing, drizzle it over cooked vegetables, or use it for light sautéing. Finally, let's squeeze in the benefits of lemons, a citrus fruit that's often overlooked, but can provide a refreshing boost to your liver health. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals and toxins. But that's not all. Lemons are also a natural diuretic, meaning they help flush out excess water and waste products from the body, reducing the burden on your liver. This diuretic effect can be particularly helpful in the morning, helping to kickstart your liver's detoxification processes for the day. Lemons also contain citric acid, which has been shown to stimulate the production of bile, a fluid produced by the liver that's essential for digesting fats. By promoting healthy bile flow, lemons can help prevent the formation of gallstones and support optimal liver function. So how can you incorporate more lemons into your routine? You can start your day with a warm glass of lemon water. Add a squeeze of lemon to your salads or cooked vegetables, or use lemon juice to flavor your dishes. There you have it, folks. 10 incredible superfoods that can help supercharge your liver and keep it functioning at its best. From garlic and turmeric to leafy greens and berries, incorporating these nutritional powerhouses into your diet is a delicious and effective way to show your liver some love. Remember, your liver is a vital organ that works tirelessly to keep you healthy. By making simple dietary changes, you can provide it with the nutrients it needs to thrive and reduce your risk of liver disease. So what are you waiting for? Head to your local grocery store, stock up on these liver-loving superfoods, and start incorporating them into your meals and snacks. Your liver will thank you for it. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns about your liver health, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat.